Next is Junxiang.
Yes, miss.
Alright. Hong Sing. Lo Hong Sing. Got it. Martin.
Yes, miss.
Ken Fu.
Yes, miss.
Alright. Wan Qi.
Yes, miss.
Queenie.
Yes, miss.
Yao Guan.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Rachel.
Yes, miss.
June En.
Yes, miss.
Carmen. Wong Carmen not here. Yap Xin Yi.
Yes,
Miss Wong Kaman has dropped out course.
Drop out already.
Yes. Due to a financial problem. He said.
Actually, she can get financial assistance from Thai College or not. You can talk to her if she needs any financial help. Actually, can apply one, you know.
Yes, I've asked her already.
So she also don't want.
No reply.
No reply lah. If yes, you can actually refer to Miss Iris or the program leader. Okay, and can help. Anyone, if you're doing that, you got any financial problems that you want, but you want to study, okay, actually can call to office. There are a lot of financial funding to help out the students. All right. Xin Yi, Yap Xin Yi lah. Xin Yi lah. And Kaiman. All right.
Yes, miss.
All right. So group 2, who else haven't attended? Oh yeah. Lao Hong Sing. Okay. I hope that those who are late one, you can just turn on your camera, turn on your mic. At least tell me you are late, and then you haven't my attendance, because sometimes I might miss your chat box, then I cannot see. Okay.
Miss, I'm late. I'm Chong Jia Hui.
Which group?
Group 2.
Group 2. Okay. So group 2 all here.
Miss, I like miss.
Apa tu?
Miss, I like group.
What? Apa nama?
Lao Hong Sing.
Okay. Already. Okay. Group 2 full attendance. Okay, good. Okay, sekarang group 3 ya.
Sorry, miss, I'm late.
Ken Fu from where? From which group? 不是骂你 attendant 了咩？Ken Fu. I thought I called your name just now, right?
Yeah, I'm late.
You did meh? I'm not attendance already anyway.
Just now Hong Sing replied when you call his name.
You could reply Hong Sing Hong Sing help you take. Huh? Ui, you cannot mark. That's why That's why I want you to turn on your camera. You all cannot supposed to mark your friend for your friend attendance. Right. Start from group 3 onward. Need to turn on camera. Okay. To verify is you. Ang Zhishan. Turn on camera. Say yes. Make sure you is Ang Zhishan. Sure it's you, Bong Ya En.
Morning, miss.
Morning. Okay. Bu Yi.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Yun Ting.
Yes, miss.
Okay. King Hui.
Good morning, miss.
Morning. Ying Zi.
Morning, miss.
Okay. Chuan Li.
Yes, miss.
Alright. Wei Lin.
Morning, miss.
Ting Su. Cheng Ting Su. Chui Zian.
Morning, miss.
Morning. Pei Ling. Chua Pei Ling. Tak ada Ong Wai Lun. Just now I saw this name on Ong Wai Lun.
Yes, miss.
Alright. Chi Chin.
Yes, Miss.
All right. Guna. Guna here or not?
Good morning, Miss. I'm here.
Okay, good. Sydney.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Chia Wing.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, Yu Jun.
Good morning, Miss.
Hui Xiam.
Yes, Miss.
Right. Lai Yan.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Carmen.
Morning, Miss.
Zhe Ching.
Morning, Miss.
Okay. Xin Hang.
Good morning, Miss.
Yi Long. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay. Chui Yi.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. Fang Yi.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Su Wen.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. Min Yi. Min Yi.
Miss.
Morning. Xin Ping.
Miss. Yes, Miss.
Yes. Good morning. Yi Lun. Yi Jun.
Yes, Miss.
All right. Yasmin. Yes, Miss. Sydney. Contoh sini Sydney. Sydney. Kasrat, do you have Sydney's contact number? Siapa Kasrat? Brian ah? Brian sir. No, not Brian. Waylin. Waylin. What ah? Can you just give her a WhatsApp? Let her, because she's repeat students may not see things. Just let her know. Suppose like who is sick? Just now I saw a message there. Hui Xiang, you say who's sick? Hui Xiang, just now you comment who is sick? Pei Ling, Chua Pei Ling is sick. Ask her to apply MC. Okay, so then automatically there will be a leave for that already. Okay.
Miss, I'm back.
Yeah.
Group 1.
Hello. I call Sally. Okay. One. What's the surname already? Lim. Okay. Lim. Aishan. Okay. Okay, group 3 done. So group 4. Last one. Alice?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, those who come later, let me finish the first round first. Group 4 is Agnes here. Lian,
Yes, Miss.
Xin Ting,
Yes, Miss.
Hui Ping.
Yes,
Hui Ping. Okay. Zhi Hui,
Yes, Miss.
Jing Xuan Xiang.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Yi Le,
Yes, Miss.
Cheng Yi,
Yes, Miss.
Ping Li here. Ka Hui,
Yes, Miss.
Yi Ting,
Yes, Miss.
Joanne,
Yes, Miss.
Su Chi,
Yes, Miss.
Wen Pei,
Yes, Miss.
Su Fen. Where's Su Fen? Ka Chin.
Yes, Miss.
Ong Ting,
Yes, Miss.
Zhi Hui,
Yes, Miss.
Kai,
Yes, Miss.
Ivy, Sally, dah ada. Jason here, Kasin here, and Xinyan, Xian, not here. Jia Xuan,
Yes, Miss.
Jie Yang,
Yes, Miss.
present. Hui Sing,
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Remy.
Miss Hui Mi says she can attend the class.
She can't attend class, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Xiao Hui,
Yes, Miss.
Xin Li.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, all done. Who haven't marked your attendance?
Miss, I am Henry.
Yeah, no. I marked your attendance already, your class track,
Okay.
Supper likely is just join, haven't marked your attendance.
Mix group 1
Mm-hmm. What's her name,
Lao Sao Jie.
Okay, Sarajay. Who else? I marked in the manual first, later I one shot I mark into my system. Okay, Noah. Okay, give me a minute. I need to go washroom for a while, okay? Because Sufan later. Let me come back to you later, okay?
Hello. Open
要
cam
开 cam
了
咩？
Open 啊，
说要还是不要？
随便你，开不好啦，不要这样胆小。
等一下啦。
Miss, you didn't open your mic.
I didn't. Thank you. Thank you, Tong Sing, for informing, and Brian. My question is, do you looking forward for your physical class or not? Do you know the surrounding of the car college? You better go and, because our lecture is in the early morning, so I think you better Monday, if you go to college, familiarize yourself with where is the DK first, you know. And yeah, no. Oh, so wait, open my thing. What happened to my computer today? Cannot load my file. I think we will extend a little bit because it's already 10:30. Walao.
不要拿我时间，please。
Who is talking here? Who is that? You can hear the voice, but I don't know who is that. Tutorial 4. Week 4. Okay. Week 5. Week 3. Lecture. Tutorial. Okay, tutorial. Sales cycle. Finally, I can open my file. Next week, go to CC and so. Monday, you all have lecture or tutorial or not? Huh? You all have tutorial or lecture or not? If you have, go there and familiarize. Because I have one group for my degree students, they have Monday have class, and their lecture is actually in the new campus. Do you know Car College got 2 campus, you know? So you have to be very familiar with that. Got 2. One is the very big one, the main entrance. Okay, that one is the old campus. Okay, and new campus is in the east campus. Okay, it's in the east campus. It's in where the FAFB are our faculties there. Okay, so it's another entry one. 不同 entrance, different entrance. Okay, so just happened that my degree students, they're having their lecture in the new campus, the east campus, where it's near it's the other entrance. Okay, it's the other entrance. I don't know how to explain also. So I asked them, you all better go and find it. But for you, no problem. For you all, I checked already, you're in DKC. DKC is the old campus, no problem. For you all, no problem. For my degree student, yes. Because it's a small group, but later you also need to know, because our office, our business, accounting office, our faculty is in the new campus. It's called East Campus. Okay, 明白吗? Later I will send you the map. I will send you the map. Okay. Yesterday I want to send, but I forgot. Too many things to do already. Okay, let's start recording first, because I know that some students may not able to attend the class today because some of them are traveling from their hometown back to KL. All right. So even you come to KL, please don't pergi sini dan sana. Take care of yourself. Don't go and wet. Ya, Liu Wei Jun, apa you mau?
Miss, I lost my internet connection just now.
Oh. Then, you want to make attendance
Yeah.
From which group
Group 1.
New Wei-Jun Okay.
Okay, thank Miss.
No idea. What Okay, attendance later. The rest, if you haven't my attendance later, now I want to start my tutorial already. Otherwise, it's not fair to the rest of the students. Okay, let's do the tutorial for sales cycle. Okay, can I have what? We randomly pick student, get a quick pause and audience. I know this one is a pool. I remember that as a features for us to randomly. This one cannot one. Also, I thought there is a spin and can get some. I can never. Okay, Liu Wei-Jun, since you are the first one, Wei-Jun, answer. Since your connection got problem just now, can you do me the question one?
D.
Read the question.
Ahmad purchased some goods on credit from Ali. Ahmad subsequently returned some faulty goods to Ali, who issued credit note to reduce the amount owing by Ahmad.
Okay, so answer is what?
Answer is D.
Donkey. Okay, he purchased a good on credit note from Ali and Ahmad subsequently returned some 40 goods to Ali. Okay, so Ali will issue a credit notes to reduce the amount. Okay, answer is donkey. Betul. Okay, very good. What is a delivery order? What is to support what delivery order? Anyone knows? Delivery order is to support the goods delivered. Okay, goods delivered. Okay, so this is to support your purchases. Because once you get purchases, okay, when you buy something, so before you accept the purchase invoice from your supplier, you have to make sure the good is delivered to you. So when you buy those assets, like sofa, when they will give you delivery to acknowledge. So to make sure you already received the goods. Okay, so a delivery order is one of the source document. You want to drink water, can drink. You want those who want to go toilet can go. Okay, but make sure come back. So a statement of account is to check the account balance. All right, and the debit note, just I already mentioned to you, is to if you undercharge or you want to charge other things, then you can bill them. Further billing. Okay, so this is the purpose. Okay, number 2. Can I have? Okay, I choose one from question from Jun. Just now is group 1, right? Now I choose one from group 2. Group 2, can I have Brian? Brian, can you do question 2?
Trade discounts are C. Deductions of the list price of goods to encourage bulk purchases.
Yes, remember trade discount is a sales gimmick. So the purpose for this is to give a trade discount in the list price means the gross price, okay, for encourage us to buy more. Okay, this is their purpose. All right, so answer is C, C, correct. Okay, number 3, let's get one from group 3. Zishan and Jishan.
Which of the following statements is correct? C. 1. Cash discount is given to encourage prompt payment. 2. Return invoices are posted one by one to the credit side of the respective customer account in the sales ledger. And 3. Sales are posted one by one to the debit side of the respective customer account in the sales ledger.
All right, very good. Okay, these are the 3 correct statements. So cash discount is to encourage prompt payment. Okay, so remember, just not trade discount is to encourage to buy more. Okay, cash discount is when you make payment that time they ask you to make on prime, then you get the discount. Okay, like discount received and discount allowed. All right, so it's correct. Number 2, return inward are posted one by one to the credit side of the respective customer. Customer means is receivable in your sales ledger, which is correct, all right, huh? So, and sales are posted one by one to the debit side of the respective customer account in the sales ledger, which is also correct because you sell to your customer, they owe to you, you will debit to their account. Okay, so return is when they return good, you will credit to the account. So 1, 2, 3 is correct. All right. The number 4 is not, because cashier refer to the goods sold are paid later, but in cash this one is wrong. So no matter what they pay, not necessarily cash or bank or anything, so long they pay immediately, so not pay later. All right. So answer is C, correct. Okay, number 4, get one from group 4. Anas, are you here or not? Anas Ng? Anas go toilet ah? Those who later first Anas not here, then Bong Lian. Lian, are you here? Group 4. Mana group 4 Ning also not here. Ui. Chang Xin Ting.
Yes, Miss. Which of the following is incorrect about the sales journal? The answer is B. It is used to record both credit and cash sale of goods.
Okay, it's incorrect. Incorrect 是对还是不对或者salah? Salah, so it's incorrect. Salah. So sales journal is only for you to record credit sales or cash sales. Sales journal for us to record which sales? Credit sales or cash sales? Chinting?
Credit.
Yeah, it's only credit, so not both. So answer is not correct. So now someone they say, Dong say C. C apa ini? It's part of the double entry. 不是no sales journal. What is the double entry, Dong say? Double entry is what? You got debit and credit ma? You got sales journal, got debit credit punya meh? 睡醒了没有你？blur day ni. Okay, no not C. It doesn't matter. Okay, at least you okay. Any other have any question? Different answer. I also can raise like Ding Fu. Not Ding Dong. No, Gong Sing, not Ding Dong. Okay, number 5. Come back to group 1 students. Group 1. Yin.
May bought goods at a sale price of 2 ringgit, 2,500 on credit. Trade discount was 6% and cash discount 3% shall be given if full settlement is made within 10 days from date of purchase. May paid in full after the 10 days from the date of purchase. Which of the following amount is correct? My answer is A. 2,000.
How you get A?
I used the 2005.
This is the list price or net price? 2005. Means before the list trade discount or after the trade discount?
Before.
Yeah, before trade discount is called list price, student. Okay. So do they entitled to trade discount, right? How much is the trade discount? How much is the trade discount? 6% is how much?
150, and then after that minus, the answer is 2,350.
All right. So first of all, you have to find out how much is the trade discount. Trade discount is 150. All right. So this is the list price after you minus the trade discount. So this is the actual sales value. Actual sales value is 2,005 minus the 150 is 2,350. Okay. So they says, what is the what's that? They also enjoy. They will say that they have a 3% discount, cash discount, which will be given in full settlement. It is made if this is made within 10 days from the date of purchase. Okay, may pay in full after. Okay, so pay in after the 10 days of the date of purchase. Which of the following amount is correct? Okay, so here the amount is referring to the purchase payment amount. All right, so because they may actually did not enjoy this 3% because you pay after the 10 days. Okay, so to entitle for this 3% cash discount, she must pay within 10 days. Okay, so she did not pay within 10 days, then she cannot enjoy this 3% discount, so she must pay 2350. Okay, understand? But okay, if she pay within these 10 days, okay, then she will enjoy this 3%. Then how much it will be the amount that she's supposed to she's supposed to pay how much if she pay within 10 days? That's not who's that? Yin, right? Yin. If make pay within 10 days, then what is the amount that she's going to pay?
$2,270.50.
Yes, okay. Is 2,200. How much? 2350 times. It should be 279.5, right? Which is if enjoy, you will answer it will be B. Okay, if she pay within 10 days. Okay, but because in this case she pay after 10 days, so she doesn't enjoy this 3% discount. So this answer is A. Okay, so this question is quite popular. Okay, because they want students to understand the difference between trade discount and cash discount. All right, and they also want them to understand what is the actual purchase amount and what is the payment amount. Okay, and the payment amount is subject for whether you enjoy the cash discount or not. Okay, not necessarily cash discount. You should enjoy one. You must have to meet certain condition. All right. Okay. Good. Very good. Okay. Now we have the question 6. Question 6. Let's move on to group. This is group 1, right? Group 2. Group 2. Can I have Guilin?
Yes, Miss. Calculate the total credit sales figures based on the following information. The answer is A, 4,440.
All right. So how you get 4,440?
We use the T format, and then the received balance as at 1 January in debit side.
All right, so we analyze one by one. So,
one by one.
Yeah, we always start with the opening balance. Which one is the opening balance figure?
9,600.
Okay, 9,600, right? So receivable balance as of 1st January. Okay, and when you see at the beginning of the month, the date, that means we know this is the opening balance. Okay, student, may I ask you, trade receivable opening balance should be in the debit side or credit side? If you do not know, then pause, ask yourself, trade receivable is asset or liability? Everyone? It's an asset, right? So asset belongs to the debit family or credit family?
Debit.
Debit, isn't it? So we open debit balance, all right? Balance BD or BF also can. Okay, I used to use BD lah. So you put in the 1,006 here first. Okay, first step. Second step is, all right, what you put in the second step? Okay, what you normally put in the second step,
I put the receipt balance as at 31 December at the credit side.
Okay, she put this one, the 5,008. Okay, so this one is a closing balance. So remember, opening balance is debit side, then closing balance is always opposite one. So we put in the closing here. 5,008, credit side. Okay, next one. maybe we go for the third one. Third one, we put cash payment. Okay, cash payment received from receivable 7940. You should be debit or trade receivable or credit. Now your receivable pay you money. Okay, so you receive the cash from your receivable. You should increase his balance. If increase, is go debit. If decrease, go credit. So you're supposed to debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit, right? So cash received. Okay, cash received is 7,940. All right, so we put this to the credit side. Next one, return inward. Return inward, should we debit our trade receivable or credit our trade receivable? If you're not sure, you ask yourself, my customer returned good to me, so the customer should owe me more or less? If their returns good to me, I'm supposed to refund to them, isn't it? So they will owe me more or less?
Credit. Yes.
Less, right? So it's credit, return inward. Okay, return inward. How much? 300. Okay, and this the balance counting purchases. Purchases, does it relevant to your trade receivable or not?
No.
No. Okay, because purchases is for your trade payable. Return hour? Return hour also no, because return hour is we return good to our supplier, nothing to do with your customer or nothing to do with your receivable. So no. So after you've done that already, then you close off your account to find our sales figure, because you see what makes the customer owes you more is your sales. Okay, so we do not know this figure. You will add in this and this and this, the sales, and make the cash, the return inward, and the closing balance. How much is the total here?
14040.
14040. Okay, so debit side, credit side total must be same as the debit side, am I right? So it's 14040. So this is the balance. Sales is a balancing figure. All right. So you work backward. This 9,006 plus with the sales amount, you should get back 14040. So now you want to find sales, you will use 14040 minus 9,006, then you will get 4440. Okay, so this is how you get your sales fee, credit sales fee. Okay, and this tool is very important for you to understand. Okay, make sure you understand it. Can or not? Because this concept, in your next semester, you will have one topic called incomplete records. So normally they will ask you to find the missing figure. Okay, so this is how you find the missing figure for sales. Okay, very good, Gailen. I saw a questions there. Miss, C is wrong means answer also can be C, right? Because question was incorrect for question 4. Kachin, what do you mean by that? I don't understand which question. Question 4. It is part of the double entry. Oh, I understand. This is incorrect for the sales journal. It is part of the double entry bookkeeping system. I get what you mean. Yeah, the double entry bookkeeping system. Yes. Because there's the word for double entry. Okay, bookkeeping system. I think they are referring to bookkeeping system, but they shouldn't put in the double. Okay, thank you, Kachin. Yes, very good. This one actually C also, because this is part of the double entry bookkeeping system. Wait, let me think. Part of the double entry system. Okay, if in exam, this kind of exam happen, okay, I will prefer this is more obvious error, because this one the examiner can argue that, because remember when we do our sales journal that time, okay, so they will post it to the sales ledger. Okay, they will post it to sales ledger, and then they may argue on that. But correct, okay. So I agree with your Kachin. Okay, Kachin, yes. Okay, C is also wrong. Okay, it will not be part of the double entry. Sales ledger, yes. Sales journal is not. Okay, correct. C is also wrong. Okay, thanks for highlighting. Okay, I need to amend these questions. So this question got B and C. Okay, both answer acceptable. B and C is acceptable. Thanks, huh? Thanks, Kachik. Okay, so yes, well, you can, if you have answer different from my suggested answer, you always can highlight, we can discuss. Okay, I'm not always 100% correct. Okay, I also a human. Good, very good. Okay, finish your question one, section one, then we go continue question section two. All right, this one. Name the book or prime entry. Show the double entry for the following transaction. Okay, so here they have two requirements. They have two requirements. One is they ask you to name the book or prime entry. Okay, running. Then my computer is not running well. So there are two things. One is a book or prime entry, and then the other one is ask you to show the journal entry. Okay, the double entry. Okay, so goods to break trading for 700, 250 on credit. So which book or prime entry you should goes to? That's not group 2, right? Now you group 3. Group 3, can I have Yang Ân? Wong Yang Ân?
Okay, Miss. The first one is we should go to sales journal.
All right, sales good. Okay, goods sold to break. So goods is stocks on credit term. So this is the key condition. So sales journal. So the double entry should be debit where and credit where.
Debit break trading, credit sales.
All right, very good. Okay, break trading is who? Is a receivable or payable?
Receivable.
Yeah, trade receivable to be exact, and then you can put dash break trading. Okay, you don't follow the ebooks. Ebooks, they do not put trade. They do not put whether it's trade receivable or trade payable. They just put break trading. But actually, I want students to identify if they are trade receivable or payables. All right, very good. Okay, group 3 finish. Group 4. Xin Ting Tan, just now Xin Ting Tan. Hui Ping, Chen Hui Ping, can you do next one? Group 4, Chen Hui Ping, are you here? Not here. Zhe Tin Zhe.
Yes, Miss.
To the next.
So good to Amanda for 500 ringgit via Touch and Go. The answer is cash book.
Very good. Okay, because through Touch and Go is so long they pay already, so this one will not go to sales journal. All right, very good. So what is a double entry then?
Bank debit.
Okay, then so we assume the Touch and Go is tagged to the bank. Okay, so bank debit, credit to
Sales credit.
Sales credit. Very good. Okay, very good. Number 1, we'll go back to group 1. Celine not here, huh? Yong Kiet, are you here? Chan Yong Kiet.
Yes.
Okay, can you try the next? Issue a debit notes, sorry, miss out. to Amanda for underbilling. Underbill. So it's underbill, that means it's part of the sales. So you will debit to where? Sorry, no, then you will go to where? If this is your sales, okay, you bill to Amanda, that is under bill. Now you bill her further, so you will go to where? Sales journal or cash book?
Cash book.
Cash book? Does it involve payment or receipt or not? Cash book, the condition is you receive money or you pay money, okay, either in cash or right. Does this transaction involve any receipt or payment or not?
No.
No, right? So definitely it's not cash book.
Sales journal.
Yeah, it go to sales journal. Okay, so because they underbill that. All right. So the double entry is what? Double entry is same like this. Okay, you will further debit Miss Amanda. Amanda is who? Straight receivable and credit to your sales. All right. Can or not? Okay, this is underbill. If you're not familiar, please do. You have to read back my lectures. Okay, this is group 1 and group 2 again. Go back to the group 2 students. This one is 1. Reading down. Eileen, can you do number 4, Eileen? Kim Eileen.
Return invoice journal.
Issue credit notes to rate. So this one is good returns, right? So you will go to returns inward journals. Very good. This is a bold prime entry. What is a double entry here? Debit where?
Debit return invoice.
Invoice. Return inwards or return inwards? Invoice.
Invoice.
Inwards.
Invoice.
Okay. Debit return inwards account and credit to?
Credit trade receivable.
Very good. Okay, trade receivable. Very good. Next one, number 3. Group 3, Roy?
Yes, Miss.
You do number
Cash book.
Can you read this?
Issue a credit note to Bread Trading for cash discount. Cash book.
Okay, this one, does it really involve cash? Issue a credit notes for cash discount. So you give a discount to your bricks. Okay, so this one, yeah, you can put cash book. Yes, because why? Because normally you give cash discount is because bricks is giving you money. Okay, so okay, good. Cash book, then debit to where and credit to where?
Discount allowed. Credit trade receivable.
Credit trade receivable. All right. So by right, there will be one is called debit cash remittance because they did not mention the cash receipt how much. So we know, but actually they have paid one. All right. Otherwise, you will not enjoy the cash discount. All right. We assuming they are paying cash. If they say that they just issue the credit note without paying cash, then you get another alternative you can put to where beside cash. If let's say they just give them a credit note for discount but without paying first, then you go to where? You go to general journals. Okay, so they have two possibility. All right. Let me see my suggested answer. I also forgot already. They put under what? They put under cash book. That means this one they assume they make payment. Okay. All right. Number 4 done. Number 5. So you just ignore the general journal because we haven't learned general journal as well. So you put cash book. Okay. Number 4. Group before next questions, 汇拼单字. Just now before 汇拼单 already, right? 智慧, 亲智慧. Group 4, Chin Zhe Hui, are you here?
Miss, I already answered just now.
You already are. Then Jing Xiang.
Yes, Miss. Trend discount of 15 ringgit Malaysia was given to many. Sales journal.
Sales.
Debit discount a lot. Credit trade receivable.
Trade discount or double entry, no?
No.
Then?
No.
Not applicable, no double entry. Because you see, when we do the sales journal, sales journal, we directly net off the trade discount. Okay, this one is purposely keep gacha you one. Okay, pull your leg one. So take like Josh as an okay. So no double entry. Okay, but it's called the sales journal. Okay, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, for question 2. Record the following credit sales in the sales journal. Anyone have tried these questions? Have done these questions? Dong Sing, have you done this question? Yes. Brian say what now? Sales journal. Debit discount allowed, credit cash which one? Which one is credit cash? V? Ini? Bukan lah. You got give cash them to them meh? And issue credit note. This can be okay. This question actually need to be improved. Frankly speaking, because they only tell us that they issue a credit note because we do not know whether the cash discount is they already paid. We already received or not. If they already the customer is already paid us full amount, later I only issue a credit note to give them an extra discount. Then I will debit discount allowed credit cash. Okay. If they haven't paid us yet, okay, if they haven't paid us yet, but now they're going to pay us, then we will debit we will debit discount allowed credit to trade receivable. So this one, because let me just see the suggestion answer what they want first, because it's they put discount allowed. They put discount allowed, they put trade receivable. That means to say they are okay. That means to say they actually this question want to ask is they want it to be give discount to them. Okay, so it's already haven't paid yet. Now they immediately they pay the time. Okay, so what? Understand or not? So if the customer already paid us full, let's say before cash discount is $100. Okay, I debit my cash $100 and credit my trade receivable $100. Okay, so later I say, hey, I give her another $10 discount. Okay, so in this case, that means to say this customer is overpaid us already. Okay, then I issue a credit note to them. Then I will debit discount allowed and credit trade receivable. Okay, and credit trade receivable to reduce. Then this one, you will go to the general journals. Then you will go to general because no cash involved. So if the suggested answer saying that we want to go for cash book, meaning to say is the credit note when they pay us, we immediately give them a credit note. That means they should have the double entry is like that. Debit cash, to know how much, okay, and then discount debit discount out. Then credit trade receivable. Debit cash, let's say they owe us $100. I put in the figure for you. $100, but give them $10 discount. All right, and then we have cash is 90. We receive cash 90. Okay, so the questions actually what they asking is because I think I have to improve this question because I did not put in the detail of the amount. Okay, so if I put cash books, okay, there are two situations. Okay, cash book or sales or general journal. Okay, but I want here, since the suggested answer give me is a cash book, meaning to say the credit note issue is the minute that the customer pay me money. Okay, so I immediately give you a credit note. In other words, I receive I just put in a figure for you to see better. So for example, the customer actually owe me $100. Okay, so now because they pay me from me, okay, I say, okay, immediately I issue a credit note, I give you $10 discount, let's say. Okay, so I will enter this transaction to my cash book. I will debit my cash book, okay, under cash column $90, then give discount $10, and then discount allowed $10, and then I will credit to my trade receivable. Okay, understand? But because in our question there, I did not put in the figures how much actually they pay, so therefore you cannot see the complete double entry. You can only see the discount allowed and trade receivable amount only. Double entry, you cannot see the cash. Understand or not? All right. So for just now, who says already? Brian say, why not discount allowed on credit cash? This one is when, if let's say when the time this customer pay me the time is full, they pay me $100. Okay, I give you another situation. If Brian say debit cash 100. Okay, so before they pay us, actually you don't give them discount. Debit cash 100, credit trade receivable 100. Okay, I type for you in the chat box. You refer that. So if another situation is, if let's say before the discount allowed given to them, actually the customer already pay me money. Okay, pay me $100 cash, so I debit cash $100 and credit to trade receivable $100. Then subsequently, I think, hey, I also want to give them discount. Okay, I also want to give them $10 discount. So I will issue them a credit note. Then I will debit discount allowed, credit to trade receivable $10. Okay, so in other words, now I will credit. In other words, if this pass through, in other words, actually this trade receivable overpay me already because I allowed that $10 discount from that. So in the trade receivable account, there is an overpayment. Understand? So if this is a situation, the book of prime entry will be for general journals. Okay, will be general journal for the discount allowed. Okay, so since the suggested answer is saying the cash book, so we will think that the assumption is the credit note is issued when the minutes the customer pay us. All right. Okay, now Brian understand. Okay, so okay, so this question is a bit ambiguous. I agree that, okay, I will enhance this question again. Okay, so I will write down actually the issue is for payment, but now you take it that is make a payment. Okay, the credit note is issued when the customer make a payment. Okay, maybe I write down for you now. Yeah, too messy already. Okay, maybe where is it, this cash discount? Okay, maybe you will enhance this slide. Issue credit note to read for cash discount of $10. Okay, of RM 10 ringgits. Okay, when BRICS trading. Okay, when BRICS trading settle his invoice, settle his invoice amount, settle his amount, invoice amount. Invoice full amount amount of RM $100. Okay. When you extend this, then it will make it more clearer. Okay. It's hang again. Okay, can you extend the question so that it will be easier? Issue a credit note just now is up to the cash discount, right? So can you, okay, I highlight in red color. Can you write this down yourself in the notes in your questions? Okay, give a issue a credit note for cash discount $10 when Bridge Trading settle his invoice amount. Okay, full amount of $10. Settle the invoice amount, not the invoice amount. Okay, so that means to say he's going to settle his for $100, but he only paid $90, and he enjoyed the discount receipt, discount allowed $10. Okay, so make this clearer. Can everyone take note? Okay, very good, Brian. Okay, now we continue with the question 2. Question 2, this one is record the following credit sales. So the minute you know that this question is very straightforward. Okay, credit sales in the sales journal of Judy, a wholesaler. Okay, so here you got how many questions? Question 2, 3, 4. Okay, can I have who have do the question 2? Just now someone's Dong Sing, right? Dong Sing, can you share me your answer? So I check the answer for you immediately. Everybody look at the answer, okay? Then next one, look at the rest. Okay. Anyone volunteer to present me your answer for question 3, and the other one is question 4. Okay, so then we do together. Don't be shy. Okay, if your answer is wrong, it's good if you then let me check your answer immediately. Okay, so sometimes if you probably send me your answer, I may not able to check all your answer because it's too many things already. Sometimes I really cannot check all the students' answer. Okay. Blank there, Dong Seng. Your thing is blank. Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
Choosing a tab or window.
You window lah.
Window.
You choose window is when you have your file downloaded. Okay. Tab one is if your things is saved inside, like you open a web, then you cannot see it. You have to download, then only can show in window. If you are showing in the tab, then you have to choose tab one, or else you choose another one is entire screen.
Entire screen.
But if you can be careful, like your naked photo must not be show us.
Excel.
Okay lah, can see already.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you're using entire screen to share, is it?
Oh, yeah.
So you don't click wrong things. Don't let us see what you don't want us to see.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we read one by one. Okay, so can we have the first one is sales. Okay, you read.
Seven.
Can you enlarge a little bit lah? Because
enlarge
it's too small. Okay, first one.
7 sacks of rice at 40 per sack to Jennifer. Trade discount given 10%.
So this one actually they have a little bits for you to calculate. So how much is the list price of the sales value?
280.
How you get 280?
7 times 40.
Okay, so it's good in exam. You just show next to the Jennifer name. Then you just show what is the workings now. Okay, sometimes the examiner will good enough to give you extra marks.
Oh, need to show the calculation. Show at where?
Next to the Jennifer there.
Oh.
Okay. So because it's to show that the examiner that you know how what is your workings to get this. Okay, very good. So your list price is 280, and then you enjoy you give 10% discount, trade discount. So 10% is 28. So net price is how much?
252.
252. Okay. So next one is what? This one is what?
3 cartons of Cadbury chocolate at 60 ringgit per carton to Uncle Jun's shop. And then
So the list
discount
price
given
is-
is 5%.
All right. So what is the sales value? The list sales price?
Sales 3 carton.
Yeah, the value is what? 180, right? The list price.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 3 discount is
5%.
so it's 9 ringgit, right? So the net is 171, correct? Okay, the rest I think no problem for you to do. It's easy. Then Jennifer. Then number 3. Jennifer 480. 408, correct. And then another one is Uncle John's. The last one, there's no trade discount. Okay, no trade discount. So you straight away put your figure to the last one. Okay, 60. Okay, the last one is 891. The total sales. So this one, the question is very straightforward. They only ask you to prepare the sales journal. This is a sales journal. Okay. So can you tell me if, let's say, the process, how supposed to do after you journalize, how you post to your ledger? No need to show, you just tell.
How I post to ledger? Wow. What question is this?
Okay, after you do your journalizations, then first thing first, you have to open your sales ledger, right or not?
Repeat one more time.
After you finish your sales journal, what you're supposed to do?
哇哇！你突然间问我，跟我讲回答你。
Anyone after sales journal, what is going to do next? 我们刚刚学罢了诶。Post to where? The individual figures go post to where? Post to ledger.
General ledger.
Which ledger? Which ledger first?
Trade receivable.
Sales ledger. Sales ledger.
Okay.
Sales ledger. After sales ledger, what item post to sales ledger?
Trade receivable control account. 是吧？
哎，跟我用手打自己2下。对，sales inside the sales ledger got what?
Inside
What account inside the sales ledger? Uncle John's account, Jennifer account, Patoka and
不是直接写 trade receivable control account，直接写 total amount 吧？不是？
那个是 general ledger 啊，东西。
OK。
咯。
OK。
喂，你睡醒了没有？Okay, sales ledger. Okay, you first of all you have to post to the sales ledger.
OK。
Okay, so one by one the Jennifer net amount. Okay, 给你多一次机会啊，要不然我打你啊。Okay, 来，你上回去你的 answer. First, show me the first mail. Okay, 252 post to where? 你 tell me the 252 amount. You post to where? Sales ledger or general ledger?
Sales ledger.
Sales ledger 哪一个 account? What account?
Trade receivable Jennifer， 然后debit 咯 ，debit 写着 sales 咯。
本来 OK， sorry。然后其他都是这样啦 ，the rest also the same 啦。Uncle John's and Jennifer also you open Uncle John account then put 啦哈。Okay, then after that, how you post your general ledger? Based on what you post it? General ledger got double entry 啊 ，general ledger got double entry 啊。
Open a trade receivable control account and then the sales account.
本来 what is a double entry?
Trade receivable control account. Wait trade receivable control account. Oh shit.
The rest you can type the double entry. Okay, those who know you can type the double entry in your chat box.
Okay, sales account. Sales account right at a credit. Trade receivable control account, and then the total amount at 891.
891 post to where?
And then the trade receivable control account. Debit sales. 891. Is it
Okay.
correct?
Yeah, you will credit your sales account 891 and you debit your trade receivable account 891. Okay, good. Okay, so this is the next step of posting. Photo. Okay, Sonia. 好，谢谢 Thank you. Now we go for question 3. Question 3, any volunteer?
哦，可怕的。
Any volunteer? No ah. Want me to call your name ah? Dong Sing, you're from which group? Dong Sing.
Good one, good one.
Group 1, then group 2 lah. Group 2, any volunteer? No, then I will call your name one more. Group 2, any student have tried it? Please just share your answer only. Let me check. I got one student asked me to check the answer one. Let me see. Yesterday I received an email, got one student asked me to check. Who is it lah? Can you raise your hand? That's Tio, let me open the. Ho Ka Hui, are you here? Oh, Yongket. Okay, Yongket. Can you share me your answers? Share with us your answers so I can check. Thank you, Yongket. Very good. I like this kind of attitude, students. Okay. All right. Wow, very nice presentation. Okay, question 3. Oh, you do all the things already. All right. Question 3 is actually ask us to record a written hour journal of Justin. All right. So this is very straightforward answer. All right. So there's no trade discount, and they're also not giving you any credit notes. Okay. So just put all the name, the dates, the name of the trade receivable, and put in the amount. Okay. By right. That meaning to say when we sell to this customer, we do not give them any discount. So also not when they return to us, also no discount. Okay, answers question 3 is correct. Okay, Yongget, thank you. Okay, question 3 actually nothing. I'm more interested on question 4 since Yongget is already have the answer with us, so we look at her. Let's answer. All right. Can you all see his screen? Because he have a split screen, so we will have it a bit small. Can see then better lah. Unless a little bit, otherwise student cannot see. Okay, we read the question 3. Question 4. The following are the transactions of Jaya Trading during the month of May. Okay, so first, credit sales to Arumugam Trading, invoice number 120. 750 less 10% discount. So, okay, look at the requirement. Okay, everyone look at the requirement because he only can show the answer. So, everyone, I assume you have the answer question paper in front of you. All right. So, the part A is asking us to record. Student, it's very important for you to read the requirement first before you start answer your question. Okay. So, the part A asks you to record the above transaction in book of prime entry. Dong Sing, 什么是 book of prime entry? What is book of prime entry?
哦，那个 7 book 啊，有 petty cash book，然后 sales journal、return inward、return outward，还有一个叫general journal。
哇，终于明白了。OK， 不是 cash bill， 不是 sales invoice， 那个叫什么？
那叫 source document。
哦，原来 OK，can differentiate now 啊？
你敢哦，我怕欸。
厉害了啊，懂性。所以不要怕 make mistake. Students, don't be afraid to make mistake. Okay, the more mistake you make, you must learn. Okay, learn from your mistake. Okay, you make mistake, no problem, but you must learn from your mistake. So Dong Sing is a good example. Okay, so book of prime entry is the 7 books. After that, they ask you to post to the sales ledger. Okay, which is just now I asked Dong Sing. What is the next after journal? Okay, and then after that, general ledger. So this question is more good. It's better, not more good. It's better. Okay, so because from you can see the flow. All right. So first of all, our students where the book of which book of parliamentary should use first. All right. So first one, credit sales to Arumugam Tradings. Okay, for the 700 less than 10% discount. So since to be fair to Yongket, okay, we ask other students which sales journals. Those who know, please type your answer in your chat box. First May. 每一个人, every students, if you are physically attending like me, please tell me what is the book of point entry for the first transaction, first May, to prove that you are listening to me now. 我数3啊，如果没有人答我，就是你 are not here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You can put SJ, okay? You can put short form, but I must show every student. Yeah, sales journal, okay? Okay, so to prove you're physically here. Okay, now we move on to the next. May, set 5th May, a credit note 220 to Arumugam Trading for goods returns to 120. All right, and book of parliamentary is, Kahang is very fast already. Okay, return inward journal. Okay, please, you must write return inward journal. If in exam you just tell me return inward, then your answer is wrong. Rui, not sales journal. Sales journal is the first one. The second, 5th May is sales journal, return inward journal. Okay, you have to put journals, or sales return journal also can. Sales return layer. Sales return layer cannot. Sales return journal boleh. Sales return layer not boleh. Okay. Okay. Must put the journal because the book of prime and 就是讲 how to say that you have to complete the word. The book's name is called return inward journal. Okay, return inward is just a transaction. Return inward journal is a book. It's the journal's name, right or not? So be careful, because last time I remember there's one test I give to student. Student give me return inward and return outward. I mark them wrong because they without the word journal. 因为不同东西来的 ，OK， 好像妈妈和凯妈像吗 ？It's the same thing or not? Your mother and the godmother same or not? No ma, right or not? Yes, Brian, you say yes. So your mother also your godmother and your sugar mommy. Okay. Show same love. Yeah, man. I don't know what this one. All right, next, 8th of May, send invoice number 121 to Chop Sing Fat for good supply at the list price amounting to 900 less trade discount 10%. This one go to where? Sales journal, very good, sales journal. Okay. I was wondering why student, when sales journal, they put sales journal. But return inward journal, they don't put return inward journal, they put return inward. Mengapa? 可以跟我讲一下为什么吗 ？What is your 学生的心态啊 ？Brian, maybe you want to tell me? Why sales journal you put sales journal, but return inward journal you put return inward? 因为 maybe lazy because 2 words not like that one, okay. Lecture note put return inward saja meh? No lah, return inward journals. Yeah, what war, Kachin? Where got where? Okay, so return inward journals, caught lah. It's a missing word lah. Which part? It should be written inward journals, lecture note 2. Is it? Let me double check. This one later I come back to. Okay, lecture note. Okay, put under which page? I put written inward only. No journals. Oh. Missing already. I think because when I adjust the the column that times, they eat out my journals. It should be written in my journals. Okay. Okay. Okay, next, remind me at next lecture, I have to inform the rest of the group. Must be have journals. Okay, thank you. And it's proof that Kaching really read my notes. Sao that time there. Hello, GG 了。Yongxuan, 我爱你。Yongxuan, pay attention. Okay, yeah, I remember. I told you. Okay. All right. So if no, please add in the journal. It must be written in a journal, written our journals. Journals. Okay. 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 不要讲电话了. Come back to this. So where are we? Now we finished on 8th of May. So continue 13th of May. 13th of May, Chop Sing Fa returns goods 150 on a credit notes was issued to him. This one is what? Return inward journals or what? This one is should be written inward journals. Very fast. Okay. Written RIJ. RIJ. Kachin, remember is RIJ or SRJ, okay, sales return journal. But in exam, you cannot put RIJ, you have to give me a full words. Okay. Please, everyone, student, in exam, you cannot put SJ, RJ, or RIJ. You have to give me a full one. Oh my God, you know, I know sometimes TR, if you put in the but small, that means to say, in the particular that can, but let's say you open a trade receivable like Chop Sing Fa, you have to put trade receivable. Okay. Okay, so you cannot put TR account like that. If this is title, you have to put a proper. But in the particular, the columns of total, then you put TR short form can. What's that asking? Don't say they call me yeah. What's that? Your WhatsApp comment, no. For title cannot shortcut. Okay, continue. So 26th of May, receive payment from Chop Sing Fa for partial payment in the settlement 500 less cash discount 5%. This one go to where? 26th of May, you receive payment from Chop Sing Fa. Go to where? Okay, cash book. All right, and the next one, trading 27, Arumugan Trading makes payment by cash in settlement of 400 by less discount. This one also cash book lah. So these two cash book is not relevant for you for your sales ledger. Okay, so you go to cash book. Okay, so we have analyzed it. Now let's see Yongget answers. So first of all, we have two items for sales journal, which is on 1st of May. Okay, 1st of May, the invoice number is 120, correct? And the list price is 75, right? And the trade discount 10%, so it's 75 ringgit. So the net is like 75 betul. And the second transaction is on 8th of May. Invoice number is 121 and the amount is 900 less 10% discount 90, so 810, correct, or 810. And then total discount, total sales is how much? 1485, correct. Okay, so we have done with sales journal, and then for return inward journals, we have in your Yongget. Anyone can comment on, everyone look at Yongget answers. Can you give me a comment for Yongget answer on the return inward journals? Less, that one no problem. You can put less or bracket negative. Ini tak ada masalah at all. But the masalah is on the return inward journal. Yongget, if you sell to Arumugam Trading with 10% trade discount and you sell to Chop Sing Fa with 10% discount, when the returns good to you, do you think that you want to minus out the discount before you refund to them? Yongget.
Yes.
So if you don't do that, that means you will rugi down. Okay, so by right you're supposed to refund 200, but now you have to refund 220 to them. So you rugi 20 ringgit now. So can you insert a trade discount in your return inward journal, Sanaga? Can you insert that? Like what you did for your sales journal like that. Okay, so remember students, in exam they will not so kind to tell you, hey, remember to minus the, this is a good returns, remember to minus. So there are sometimes they give you a lot of discount rate. You have to see back, when the time you sell to this customer, you give how many percentage discount, then when you return, you have to based on that discount percentage. Okay, so this one you have to take note. Okay, so the lesson like the same less trade discount 10%, minus 10% discount, and then you put 10% of 220 is how much? No, 120 is 12 ringgit, no? Why not? Can you put 12 ringgit at the side and the not here. The others under the gross amount. This one, yes. Bracket 12 satu dua belas saja. 10% minus Then your net amount is what? How much? 120 minus 12 is 108. And student, try to, another thing for you to know, for you to learn is try learn to pronounce the numbers. I know student got problem to pronounce the numbers. So start from now, you have to learn. Okay, you also do the same for Cham Sing Fat, no? Okay, also because this question is easy because they have a standard trade discount is 10%. All right. Okay, don't feel embarrassing, Yongken. Okay, actually this mistake is very common. I'm sure here got 100 over students, half of them will do the same mistake as you. So 不用shy, okay, it's normal. Every year I check answer from students, then repeat that this mistake, and it's good to show this kind of mistake, then everybody learn. Okay, so 我们给个鼓掌哈。All right. 150 minus 10% is how much? 15. Okay, so the net amount is 135. Okay, so 135. Okay, now then it's amend you get amend. So everyone know. So the return outward account total is how much? So you gotta adjust the total amount should be 243. Everyone get 243. You write somewhere at the bottom first. Okay. Okay, so this one is a return inwards accounts debit. Okay, can you amend later because I think I don't know when waste time to wait for you to amend. You just put aside. Okay, yeah, 243, and then for Chap Sing Fat the net amount is 135. Chap Sing Fat. Okay, because you have the minus the 10 ringgit discount. Okay, so this is a return. Everyone got this, All right. After that, another one is they ask you to finish already sales book of prime entry, record the above transaction in the book of prime entry. So beside this, actually, you are also required to open a cash book. Do you open a cash book? You won't get, because cash book is one of the book of prime entry. Did you open?
No.
Okay, doesn't matter. Later I show you. So you're supposed to open a cash book. Okay, debit your cash column and discount column and bank column. Okay, later I show you. Doesn't matter. So now, next is the sales ledger. Okay, sales ledger. Where is the sales ledger? Part B, sales ledger. You will have a debit your Chap Sing Fat sales ledger. So why you post your Chap Sing Fat 900? Where you get the 900? Oh, no. Don't get. You look at our illustration. We never post the gross amount. We always post a net amount. So you debit. Okay, everyone. I think your answer is a bit out. Okay, let me share with you. Okay, thank you. You look at my answer. It's easier. Okay, thank you. Because I think your answer is a bit wrong. Okay. Because I don't want to drag your time as well. Okay, let me share my answer to you all. Okay, and make sure later I share your answer. In return you give me your answers. All right, can all right. So you get. Okay, so this is the one things. Sales journal. Okay, just now you have done correctly, but the return inward journals, remember you have to put in the trade discount. Okay, so this is the net amount. All right, and cash book is one of the book of prime entry. The question asks you to record the book of prime entry, so cash book is one of it right now. So you have to put in. So you will have to debit when you receive money from Chap Sing Fat, you debit your bank and debit the discount. Okay, so by right Chap Sing Fat is owe you for 500, right? So you will have to debit your bank 475 and debit discount 25. Trade receivable, Arumugam also pays you. Okay, so he pays you 380 with 20% discount. We update this here. All right, so this is the cash book for prime entry. All right, so those who did not do the cash book, please include your cash book into your answers. All right, and then for sales ledger, all right, we will do the post in the like Arumugam, this one, please take notes. We will only post the net amount to the sales ledger. Okay, so 675 we will post to the sales ledger of Arumugam, 675 here. And here, why you put bank? You never put bank here. This one is pulled from the sales journal 这个是你的 sales 来的，对不对？ Alright, it's not for nothing to do with your bank. You simply put. So 675, you will put this 675 to Arumugam, debit to your Arumugam account. And here you put sales. Okay, because this is a sales figure from sales journal. Alright, so we finish this. And then we post in the next one. It posts in the Chap Sing Fat sales amount, 810, based on net amount. So and net amount is this one, 810. Okay, in the Chap Sing Fat account under the sales ledger. So yeah. So next is this one, the total sales amount. Okay, we supposed to post this total sales amount into the general ledger, 1,485. So go to the general ledger here, part C. Okay, so you open a sales account, credit to your sales accounts here, and debit to the trade receivable control account. Yeah. Okay. This particular is you put opposite account number. Okay, here you put sales, and the sales account you put trade receivable. Okay, and so sales journal already successfully posted to the respective ledger. Now we move on to the return inward journal. Same thing for return inward journal. We have to post the net figures only to the sales ledger. Okay. Take note 啦，不用背这个不用的，这个是给我们 show 我们看到底多少 discount 罢了。Okay. So 108 we will post a return in sales ledger. Okay, this one we will credit to the Arumugam account 108. Then another 135 you will credit to Chap Sing Fat account. Okay, this one. Okay. So post already. Now I will post the total return outward. Okay, total you go to the general journal. Okay, general ledgers. Okay, so in the general ledger there you will debit your return inward. Here you put debit return inward, right? This one, so you will go to here, debit return inward. When I say debit return inward, that means to say I debit to this account now. This return inward debit side 不是讲 debit trade receivable 不是啊，我觉得学生很喜欢 debit trade receivable 不是啊，这个是 opposite account name. So I say debit return inward 是这个 return inward account 是 I debit to this account， 明白吗 ？debit return inward and credit to where? Credit to trade receivable account 这边243，这个是 double entry in the general ledger. Okay, so for total, you double entry the debit return inward, credit to receivable account. Okay, so 刚才这个 sales 也是一样啊，看到吗 ？sales 也是我 credit 我去 ledger 那时候也是有 double entry 的、啊。I debit sales, I credit sales 1485 and debit to my trade receivable account 1485，看到吗？有 double entry 的，有 两个 accounts and 两个 entry。Alright 啊，可以啊。So finish 了after finish the sales journal and return invoice journal, now we look at the cash book. Okay, cash book here. I debit bank, I debit trade discount. So 这个要 update 去 Chop Sing Fat， 因为这个是 Chop Sing Fat pay 钱 ，pay us money. Alright, so we will update the Chop Sing Fat individually first. We will go to the Chop Sing Fat accounts there. Okay, debit bank, debit discount allowed. We will credit to Chop Sing Fat account. Okay, this one I highlight in other color for you to see better. I'll highlight in blue color lah. Okay, so this one I will post this to here. Credit Chop Sing Fat and discount allowed. Alright, so because Chop Sing Fat want to pay us money ma, so we will reduce Chop Sing Fat account balance no? Okay, so 这个475 debit 在 bank account, I will credit to a Chop Sing Fat account. Okay, and then we give discount, so debit to discount column here, then we credit to this Chop Sing Fat here. Alright, so this one got him. And next one, Arumugam, the same thing. Arumugam pay us money with debit cash account column and debit discount column, right? So now we have to update Arumugam accounts, okay, which is this one, debit, credit Arumugam with the cash 380, then 20 is to here. Alright, so the individual we posted already. Alright, now last one is we will have to post this double entry, this one, to our ledger account. So we will have to post this to debit trade receivable, debit discount. This one, I use another color. The total here, use green color. Okay, this 45, I need to post in the double entry. Can you tell me what is the double entry for this discount allowed? It will be debit discount allowed for 45 and credit to where? Credit to trade receivable. Okay, so this why I debit here and I all go to my trade receivable then credit. Can you see that? This is the double entry for the trade receivable. The discount, not trade receivable, discount allowed. Okay, so this is a double entry. The total have to post in the double entry. So the double entry is debit discount allowed, credit trade receivable. Alright, so next one is this one. This is the total cash received from trade receivable. I don't care who. If there's more than one, you just total all the cash discount received from your trade receivable. In our case, it is only one. If more than one, you have to total the sum. Alright, so the double entry is we will be debit cash already and then we credit to where? Credit to our trade receivable control account because this money is from customer, from receivable. Okay, understand? But we do not open cash account because cash book is already cash account. Okay, so we tapaya open cash account. So you only post this to our trade receivable. And next one, the last one is a bank column. So this is the total bank or check received from our trade receivable. So therefore, we debit our bank column. Alright, and then we credit to our trade receivable control account. Okay, so here, this remember I had this one I highlight in the green color one. This one is the summary account, the total amount. Now you see it's the same because I only have one customer and one Arumugam paying different. If let's say I'm more than one, you have to post in the total, not only one figure, total to here. All right. But whereas this individual one, you have to post individually, but total you will be whole lump sum. Okay, yeah. So this is a transaction. This is the process of how we post to the general ledger and sales ledger. What means not included in trade discount? Discount? No. 你们还敢 get 不到 trade discount？ trade discount 是没有 double entry， 我讲了100次了。trade discount 是没有 double entry 的。为什么没有 double entry？ 你们还 get 不到我的 point？ 你看呢，我 post 这个我们看的时候，我没有 post 这个75，我这是 net 了的。这个就是我 actual sales value 675，直接就 post 去Arumugam account 675，所以没有 double entry 的。明白吗 ？This is what I say. No, okay. Discount allowed 只是 when 他 make payment 那时候才有 discount allowed. Other than that, you treat discount is not an actual thing. It's a sales gimmick. I tell you, 它只是来吸引customer 买多点。Okay, so it will show in your journal only. Trade receivable list must calculate every time. Trade receivable list 是给你了的吗？你要 calculate 什么哦？这个 amount 是给你的吗？你要 calculate 什么？你讲 net amount 是吗 ？net amount 是吗？东升。
不是那个trade receivable 从升发下面那个上面
这个listing 啊。
这整个每次做的时候一定要写哈。
OK。在 tutorial 那时候，我希望你们做一个，这个是因为你们 check whether 你 answer correct or not. Okay, it's a checking point. Okay, and it's always also practice in practicals. But 如果考试的话，如果他没有叫你 open a trade receivable listing， 这样你是不需要做的，因为你考试那时候不够时间嘛 ，not enough time 嘛 ，right? So you don't need to do. Alright, but in tutorial, if you got ample of time, right? So it's encourage you all to do. 明白吗
？Okay.
So 做多好过做少了。But in exam, if they didn't ask you to open trade receivable listing, then you 打白啦。And then they tell you, please open the trade receivable listing, then you open it. Okay, so for this one, how to do it is the same thing. If the question asks you to open a trade receivable listing, meaning to say you have to close off in other words, you have to close off your sales ledger individual account. Okay, so you have to close off to find your closing balance. 你们懂得 how to close accounts 吗 ？Do you know how to close accounts, T accounts? Okay, anyone don't know? Okay, to be fair, I think some of the students done already. Very good. Okay, so if in case some of the students don't have accounting knowledge, so how you close it? Normally we will do like that. Okay, so this is a receivable is asset. Normally it's asset more than the asset balance, debit balance more than credit balance. Okay, so you will put 675 here first. Okay, so this one is blank first. Okay, the 167 is blank one. So we know that debit side must be same as credit side. This one should be less than 675. So you use 675 minus all your credit item, then you find your balancing figure. The balancing figure will be your closing balance, 167. Okay, so this 167 you will post it to your listing. In case for those do not know how to close, okay, you will do the same for your Chopsing part. You total up this first debit side is 810. And then you minus all this item, then you get a balancing figure. The balancing figure is 175, which is your closing balance. Balance CD, okay? But the balance CD is the closing balance. Then you will post this to your listing. Then you come up with listing 342. You match with your trade receivable control whether you also close your trade receivable control accounts to see whether you get the closing is 342. All right. So this listing is for you to check your answer. Hey, Ma. This topic, okay, this topic is important for your information. Actually, every topic is also important, but this is important. This is also important. Actually, every topic is important. And the concept, how you post, you're supposed to post your sales ledger. How you post your sales ledger is also important. 一定要搞清楚。So 你不要 expect 我只是叫你 open 这些是不会出现在你的 exam question， 太容易了。Okay, so at least we will ask you to open different book of prime entry. Okay, we will ask you to open a different book of prime entry. 然后 post either they ask you to post sales ledger or they just ask you to post a general ledger. So 你一定要很清楚要怎样 post ledger. Okay, so 就是这样咯。Okay, extra question, everyone had tried that. Okay, sorry for that. I know some of the students actually very hardworking. They do extra question. So sorry that I really no time to check your extra question. So what I can do for you, I give you my answer. Okay, you can check yourself. 可以吗？因为我真的太忙了，我太多东西要做了。I cannot check all of you. Okay, so sorry. Okay, 除非你 check 我的 answer Sam. If you still cannot understand or cannot get the answer, you don't understand, then you call, you let me know. 可以吗？ Because I 真的太多了，做太多东西。Okay. So you screenshot yourself this for extra question. Okay. Then you try this out yourself. 可以吗？ Can everyone? Good. This one I want you to submit this question to me. Okay, because sales journal is important. In fact, all the book of prime entry is important. So I assigned. Did I ever assign the tutorial question for you already? Let me check. Already, so many things. Okay. Have I give you assign the tutorial for? I think a little more. Okay, so now I create first. You need to do me only for the tutorial for section. I want you to do this question again for me. Okay, this question is a very good question. Okay, this question, question 3, question 4. Sorry, question 4. This is under section 2, right? Question 4. Section 2, question 4. Okay, 多点时间你们。How long you need for you to complete? By Monday to submit, is it okay? 现在趁你们还记得怎样做，现在就做，然后 cancel. One week 冇啦 ，1 week 啥咩 ？Monday 啦 ，I put the deadline on Monday 啊。给情人节之前跟我搞定它，那你就可以跟你的情人。哎呀 ！Such a wait. I should assign to all the students. 哎呀 ，Okay, good one I assign already. The rest I also have to go for the rest to assign. 哎呀 ，So those have done it, you can do it 啦 ，you can submit 啦。我看还是很多人没有做的啦。Tutorial， 哎呀，刚才忘记放全部人了。Tutorial 3, 4, 5. Yeah, give me a sign then we end the sessions. Sorry for dragging you a bit long time because since now it's a bit like our system, right? Section 2, question 3 betul ah? Question 3 係咪啊？ Question 3, double check first. Blur day. Question 3 係咪？ Question 4, yes, question 4. Monday is due. Okay, 搞定 send. So receive your assignment. Enjoy your homework. Only one question. 因为sorry, or I have to be like that. Okay, so that student will do it. If I don't put a deadline, the students won't do it. Don't know why. 哎呦，我要 check 先，看谁还没有教我功课。Tutorial 1全部教了 Group 1 Group 2还有4个人还没有给我 Tutorial 2 4 missing student。你知道你自己是谁呀？东升其中是一个喂，东升，你 Tutorial 你还欠我 Tutorial 2个 answer 喂，东升。
我做书了，我做书那天做错了，要重做，要一点时间。
不用的，你 just attach 罢了。
没有啊，那天我做错了，我拿去分开，我给它分开一个一个，我全部做到完，然后重新要做过，死了。不然
你用学号的人哦。
那个可以 accept 我一次过拍给你嘛，我就用改过了吗？省浪哦，可以哦。
不要这样啊，这个是错 ，very wrong thinking， 真的。
所以要改要时间，要一点点，今天我给你，今天。
OK，at least 他有做，只是做错了，他要时间改。OK， 可以明白的。OK，How about 阿嘉玲啊、石嘉玲啊、好Zen、Ong Zen、Hui and Annie Ho 咧 ，you still owe me tutorial 2哦。routine 2 what 啊？你看 ，will turn in today 也是不是要追你们呢？所以有一个 deadline 是好的。OK，Group 2看你们的 performance， 这是要我这样来 check 你们的 performance 的，要不然呢？
没有，原本昨天是要教来到今天要教 Tutorial 4，这不能睡啊，这样做一边做一边哭啊，这样做。
谁哭？
哇，一边做一边哭啊！哎呦，这样办哦，老师要这样办。你啦，讲笑我。
我就不相信你会哭，你是好像蜡笔小新这样很开心的哦。OK 啊 ，Group 2 I think Group 2 let me check Group 2 performance 先，你们不要走先啊，时不时 keep track 你们的。Group 2哇 ，Group 2 all turn in for Tutorial 1。Tutorial 2， 哎呀 ，missing one person 呢，siapa tu？ Wong Carmen 是谁喂 ？Carmen is the one we resign one. Oh, the drop out one is it? Okay 啦 ，that means I see share your the screen， 看给你们看。我不是 humiliate 你们啊 ，OK？ I just want to encourage you all to do homework. Is it okay for me to share the screen? Do you feel offended or not? OK 啊，不要生气啊，因为学生现在是很玻璃心的。OK， 等下share给人家看我的东西，不要生气啊。不会啦，waiting later first, attendance later 啊。Let me 搞定 this first. Tutorial to this, okay. Group 2 is a good group, okay? Group 2 is a good group because they really all the group has done that, okay? 很好 okay. Group 1加油啊！Group 3 let me see Group 3. Group 3 Okay, Group 3 Tutorial 1搞定 Tutorial 2又是one person. Siapa who? Chan King Hoi, are you here? King Hoi, what happened? King Hoi is King Hoi here? Group 3. Is Chan King Hoi here? Anyone know who is Chan King Hoi or you? Did they hear what? He's here, right? Please inform him to submit lah. I really not attended. I will really monitor your one because my mission to this one, I told myself I want all my students pass that's why I was so strict on that. Okay, 你不要用你朋友的东西 submit 给我，要自己做的。Okay, this is what I want to see. All right, and Group 4. Group 4. 通常 tutorial 1是，哎呦，你看 the group 4喂 tutorial 1 also got missing students got 3 students the other sini. Ivy, Sally, Xian. This one is always, it's not here today, right? Is this student, 3 students here? If no, then please ask them to submit. Group 4, who's the class rep of group 4? Hing Li, can you ask, alert them, these 3 students? Or anyone from group 4, okay? Then tutorial 2. Tutorial 2 also got a lot of people not turned in yet. We've got 8 students. These are the 8 students. Again, also Sally, Xian, and Ivy also not. The rest, Hui Ping, Hong Ting, Zhu Hui, Xian, Hui Mi, and Cindy. Any problem for you to complete the tutorial 2?
No, I already complete. I haven't turned in only.
Remember to turn in, the due date is already passed, right? Right. 不乖。Yeah. Why I want to force you to submit? Okay, you may hate me now, but later when you pass your exam, you will thank me. Okay, because you must following the pace of the whole course. 你都是哎呀，不要好像东西那个等考试一次过做完给完，你考试根本没有时间做完。因为 the later you drag your homework, the chances that you won't complete it. 为什么？因为你到时下你有很多 assignment 要有很多 coursework 要交，要很多 test 你根本没有时间做你的 homework 的。
啊，怎么有我？
王正刚才你讲的吗？等考完考试才一次过做，不是这样的。
没有，我刚才是讲我做错那个东西，你要我直接教，这样就不用做，不用再改过了吗？我不是讲考完试才做 ，no no no。
Okay 咯 ，sorry 咯 ，misunderstood your answer, your what？ Alright. So okay, so this is today's champion is group 2. Group 1 is the second, 3 is third, 4. Okay, Hing Li, please motivate your groupmates to what to if they want. Okay, 我跟你们讲一个东西Okay, let's talk to the things first Okay, never mind. Can actually tell. Okay, 我用华语 because I think a lot of students maybe 他们听不懂英文 start now. Okay. 你不要讲，哎呀，可以 repeat 就不用紧，我再 repeat 或者 repeat。其实你 repeat the chances for you to pass 是更加低的。东西你出名了，不是很好咩 ？Okay， 因为 repeat students 你根本是你多一张 paper 的 burden for your next。Okay， so 不要讲，哎呀，我要 drop 这个，你下次才考 repeat， 不要讲有这个 thinking， 真的 ，this is my advice to you。From my past experience 那些 resit student 其实他很难 pass 的，因为他还没有读完这个，他还有其他的 course second level， 他根本他的抵达不好，就算他 proceed to next 他也是 catch up 不到然后他 resit student 你 cannot attend class one, you know. Okay, so 你要 self study 更死，你已经很差了，你还要 self studies 更死。Alright, so please don't let yourself have this problem. Alright, and also repeat even worse. You fail more than 3 subjects, then you have to repeat the whole course. So please, 所以我觉得你们一定要每一次都要 closing, not only for my course, other course also. Not only for my subject, other subject also the same. This is my advice to you. If you want to pass your exam and you want to smoothly complete your diploma and go to your degree. Okay, 这个是很重要的。Okay, 好了，现在before I end the sessions, okay, I stop recording first. Who is not yet mark attendance? Who have ever marked attendance? There's not a lot of students say